girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. And we have Rex Orange County here again on Gordon Guitar. And this one is called If You Want It. Very easy song to play. Goes kind of in the same way through the entire song, so that's great. So we need to set our capo here on the first fret. The best way to have the capo for this one, in my opinion, to have easy chords to handle. So with that said, 3 chords. Let's go over the chords. First one will be A minor. That is open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. The next chord will be A sharp major 7. So you need to put a bar on the first fret from the A string and down, so 5 strings. And the rest will be 3rd on D, 2nd on G, and 3rd on B. And the final chord will be A. So that is open A, second D, second G, second B, and open E. Okay, so we will look at the strumming pattern. The first chord will be A minor. So it's very easy. It will be down, up, down, up. That is 1 round. Like that. And you will play 4 strumming rounds for all the chords through the entire song. So for A minor here, for instance, 4 rounds will be. And when you're strumming these chords, you want to stay on the bass notes, around the bass notes. So since all chords have something to do with A, you will start to strum here from the A string and down, and that means A, D, and even incorporate G perhaps, but don't go down here. You don't need that. So bass or perhaps middle strings here, A, D, and G. All right. So 4 strumming rounds per chord, and you will kind of 95% alternate 4 rounds of A minor and 4 rounds with the A sharp major 7. So that is how the song goes. You can say almost through the entire song, except from one part in the song, about 1 minute and 25 seconds into the song. In the second verse, in the lyrics, baby, I'm so sorry. I got something I need to prove. So to prove there, you will, instead of playing the A minor, play A. All right? So you're gonna play 4 rounds of A. And when you're playing this A, that is a very good idea to go down a little bit further down on the strings to even incorporate the B string, since that is the only difference between the A minor and A is what you do on the B string. So for people to hear that this is A and not an A minor, you need to play the B string there as well. So here you want to go down and strum even on the B string, otherwise stay with the bass strings. So at 1 minute and 25 seconds in, you're going to play A 4 times, then you alternate that with this A sharp 4 times, and a second and final time you go back to A, and then you play A sharp again, and then after that you play and continue with A minor till the end of the song. So that is pretty much it when it comes to Rex Orange County's If You Want It. So I hope this was helpful for you guys, and if you like Rex Orange County, stay tuned here on this channel. They will come back, I promise you that. So otherwise, see you soon and play tuned.